Fetch AI at the time of this recording continues to hold within a significant key area of support between the 0.669 and the 0.486, which is that yellow target area. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the next key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above, and also discuss a negative structure that is unfolding here on the daily chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, I still maintain that from the lows we made on the 7th of April, we picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high above the 0.991. And after we picked in the formation of that first wave, we started a bit of a breakdown move to the downside in the formation of this second wave into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using that yellow target area, an area that we have now almost fully maximized, and there's a very high chance that the low is in, and in the next coming days we can easily start the next leg to the upper side in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows we made in the formation of the second wave. And also doing the area that you need to pay attention to lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 1.609 USDT mark, an area that we can easily maximize. Then expect a slight pullback in the formation of that wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. So that is the first case scenario that I expect. And for that to also play out, we need to see a break above key areas of resistances, like the significant swing high we made above the 0.77. We need to see a break above that. We also need to see a break above the high we made above the 0.891, flip it back into support, and also break above the 0.991, and then continue pushing higher, fully maximizing our minimum target areas. We also need to have in mind that we might lose that bullish momentum to continue pushing higher to break above those key areas of resistances, and that means that on the short term we can easily get another pullback. And on that pullback, I will be watching to see whether we are going to hold above support, above the 0.583. As long as you continue holding above that, we can easily get another bounce. But the moment we lose the 0.583, flipping it back into resistance, then Fetch AI is most likely to give us one more new low within this yellow target area. And that means that we can pull back all the way to the 0.486 before we can get another reversal to the upper side, getting the next leg to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. So that means that in case we get another pullback on the short term, that is still bullish. All we need to see is Fetch AI holding within this area. A break out of this target area will be the first indication that a more bearish case scenario could be unfolding. But as long as we are holding within this area, I still expect bullish movements here on the Fetch AI chart. So let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.